Hi everyone, welcome to the gym. Today, I'll show you around and explain the workout equipment. This is the treadmill. It's great for walking and running. Regular cardio helps keep your heart healthy and improves fitness. These are dumbbells. They help make your muscles stronger. Stretching before exercise helps wake up your body. It improves flexibility and helps prevent injuries. Let's warm up. I'm using the leg press machine to strengthen my legs. Proper form makes every workout safer and more effective. I'm starting with a light walk on the treadmill. A good warm-up prepares your body for exercise. Now I'm doing body weight squats. This exercise helps make my legs stronger and improves balance. Now I'm doing walking lunges. This exercise strengthens my legs and improves balance. Step-ups are great for building leg strength. I keep my movements slow and controlled. I'm practicing a forearm plank. It helps strengthen my core and improve stability. Resistance band exercises are simple and effective. They help improve strength and posture. This is the lat pull-down machine. It helps strengthen your back and shoulders. Now, I'm using the chest press machine. It helps build chest, shoulder, and arm strength. This is the rowing machine. It gives a full body workout and improves fitness. This is a fitness ball. People use it to improve balance and core strength. These are resistance bands. They are great for stretching and strength training. This is the yoga area. People come here to stretch and relax after exercise. These lockers keep our belongings safe. Always lock your valuables before your workout. Mirrors help us check our exercise form. Good posture makes workouts safer. Gym trainers guide people during workouts. They help everyone exercise safely. These are weight plates. Different sizes are used for different strength levels. Many gyms have a healthy snack corner. Nutritious food helps your body recover. Don't forget to drink water regularly. Staying hydrated is important during exercise. I always stretch after my workout. It helps my muscles relax and recover. Thanks for joining my gym tour. See you in my next adventure. Stay active and healthy.